Ever wondered how to dip your toes into the ocean of affiliate marketing? How to navigate this vast world of passive income? Today, we're going to break down this seemingly complex process into easy-to-follow steps. Scene script. Imagine a topic you're passionate about, got it? Now let's make it your niche. It could be anything from health and wellness, personal finance, technology, DIY crafts to lifestyle. But remember, the key is to narrow down to a micro-niche. For instance, if you choose fitness, you might want to zoom in on home workout for beginners. Having identified your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs related to it. There are numerous affiliate networks like ClickBank, ShareASale, or Amazon Associates. Choose products you genuinely believe in and that offer attractive commissions. Now it's time to create a simple yet engaging landing page. You can use free tools like Google Sites or WordPress. Remember to include product descriptions, clear calls to action, and social proof if available. Knowing your audience is crucial. Define their age, location, interests, and pain points. Find where your audience hangs out online and study the questions they ask and the type of content they engage with most. Content is key. Choose 2 to 3 platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels for quick visibility. Create content around your product that shows how it solves a problem. Always end each piece of content by guiding viewers to take the next step. To maximize results, consider a small budget for ads. Even $5 to $10 per day on platforms like Facebook ads or Google ads can help you reach a targeted audience. Create a clear, simple ad and track clicks, conversions, and ad engagement. Finally, leverage email marketing. Offer something valuable to collect email addresses. Use tools like MailChimp to stay in touch with your potential buyers. Remember, affiliate marketing is a journey, and every journey begins with a first step. So why wait? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and unlock the potential of passive income. It's time to turn your passion into profit.